Good afternoon, guys. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Hi.
Okay.
Afternoon, sir. Doing good.
Yeah, tired.
You're tired? Guess what? I'm right where you are. Very tired myself, but guess what? Um, we have business to take care of. You'll be fine. These things will pass. Let's hope that tonight we'll be able to get through um, our tasks pretty quickly and efficiently. If if you promise me that you do very well tonight, and I hear from all of you, I may consider, and I'm using the operative may consider giving you a little early class tonight.
Sir, I think you'd have to give you a break Friday.
But yeah,
I don't me think too. I think
what
too,
you,
I don't me
Exactly.
think.
I don't believe you guys. You expect me to give you one whole class? Crazy, crazy.
But I don't me did I say come here and say me know you not do that, but I don't me did I think.
Natty D, crazy, one whole class? Unless we don't know my name. No, man, but I mean, I can really consider 8 o'clock tonight. Um, I can really consider 8 o'clock. You guys have been doing very well, and so let us see what will happen. If we can go before, I will definitely do that. But let us see what will happen between now and then. All right. So we
Good
were on
afternoon, sir.
afternoon to you.
Sir,
Yes, honey.
I might be chipping in and out because my internet is very unstable. This is Tatiana.
Yes, Tati G. I am so sorry about that here. Ah, this
Hello,
internet.
having problems, sir. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I know. Internet access. Uh, it frustrates me when I hear a student or anybody in this region complains about internet access, because everybody know that we're in this thing together, and them should have started out long time. Flow, Digicel should have started out this internet business long
Sir,
time.
my Wi-Fi went away 4 o'clock last Friday and never come back till Sunday evening.
Jeez, oh, wow, that hard, that hard. Anyhow, let us see what we can get accomplished here, because the truth is, 16 not here whether or not we have tsunami in Jamaica. Them exams still set and ready for we are ready. Unfortunately so, but it's true. Alrighty. So anybody remember what we're on?
Cramers.
Very good. And so I got a telephone call today saying, sir, you didn't send the notes from Friday. And I'm thinking about it, and the more I think about it, the more I recognize that I did not send it. And for that, I apologize. After class on Friday, I just go straight across the bed and will have good sleep. And Saturday was just, I mean, it just missed me for the whole weekend until I got the call this morning. So please accept my apologies. I will definitely double up on the handout for tonight, meaning that I'll just add it to the one that I should have sent. I was when I was reminded of it, it didn't make sense for me to send those and then send the questions, because I'm sure nobody would have had the time today based on me knowing what the timetable looks like. So I say, what, just leave it alone. You already made the error, so apologize and move on. I'm not too big to apologize. Things happen. So this is why I'm saying to you that, I know that you guys are tired. You guys have been with me and been very consistent. What am I looking for? Very consistent in your coming out. So for that, I'm very grateful. What I want to do with you tonight, though, I want to share. All right, so tonight is just going to be me generating some questions and you sitting and just working these questions for me. So we're going to sharpen our skills on Cramers tonight. I'm finished with Cramers. I don't want to start a new topic because even though I'm finished with Cramers, I'm a little concerned about a few of you. Your readiness. That's what I'm concerned about. Your readiness. So I am going to be sharing. I'm going to be sharing a question for you, with you. And I'm going to see how well, without giving you any information or any further information, I'm going to see how well you guys will read the question and able to translate and reproduce. All right, so let me just share this one here. All right, there you go. Let me see how many of you will be able to take a start at that question. On the mark, get set, go. Start from it, please. Okay, and then we need to give them this one to do. Come in. No. How is Steve? All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good.
Yes, sir. Soon finish.
Good.
Sir, finish.
What you got for the overall determinant?
You're -4.
You said -4?
-2 me get, sir.
Sir, I got 2.
I got 2.
-2, sir.
Okay, you get -2 for the determinant. Okay, what did you get for the patties? How much for the patty?
Sir, $10.
How much for the cheese? How much for the cheese?
Sir, $5.
And how much for the drink?
$3.
You say, Shante, your swag burst. Not even busting, no, it burst.
Sir, me get all of them wrong.
Not to be. It's
Sir?
too early.
Sir, I don't know how much for everything individually, but we just get the answer.
What you got for me?
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, great. Great time.
Sir,
Sir, I did not get those because I didn't get 2 for the determinant. No, sir.
The determinant is not two.
Sir, I got -1.
Oh, the determinant is -2. Shante, that's what you got for the determinant.
Sir. Sir, I'm get -2, but the rest of them, I don't know how going.
All right. Shante, what you
Sir,
got for
but I got -1 for the determinant and everything else came out right.
Wow. Spraying? Shante, what you got for your determinant?
Sir, -2.
Right. You got 1 and everything came out right. We need to double check yours.
Sir,
All right.
where did you put all of the patty them together, then all of the cheese, then all of the juice?
No, miss, me ask you what is the price? Use Cramers to determine the price of each item. How much your patty? How much your slice of cheese? Or how much your drink?
Sir, I'm get it wrong.
What is wrong with you? All right. This is how I'm expecting the question. It simply means that we're not there yet in terms of understanding fully what is required of us. I am here trying to get some additional questions for you. And didn't finish doing the solution. I mean, I have a solution, but didn't finish the working on. But let me just show you what it is that I have so far. And then I'm going to ask that you continue, new share. You continue with the document. I mean, with the question, sorry, for those of you who didn't get it. So it says Jane, Mary, and John went to the cafeteria together. Jane purchased 2 patties, a slice of cheese, and a drink for $28. Mary bought 3 patties and 2 drinks for $36. You recognize that Mary never buy no cheese, don't?
Yes, sir. That's why I didn't. That's why I get -1.
Sir, I have that. So.
All right, cool. All right, let's go. Let's go.
No, sir, one number right wrong. When the whole thing wrong.
Yeah, $10. I saw you $10.50, no Matthew, and
Sir, I
$10.50.
have everything there, sir.
Sir, I have all of that right there too.
All right, then
And
hold
it's
on.
still wrong.
Use X1.
Hold on. John bought 1 patty, a slice of cheese, and a drink for $18. We're supposed to use Cramers to determine the price of each item. Now, you saw the first thing I did? I'm telling them what I'm using to represent my unknowns. I'm using X to represent my patties, Y to represent my cheese, Z to represent, okay, then none, and Z to represent my drink. So I'm writing my equations, my linear equations. I'm writing my linear equations, and I am just putting something in here because I want you to see it. What is important is that Mary bought only 3 patties and 2 drinks. Mary not craving like Matthew. Mary said, me can't eat cheese and patty and them something there. So we know me go do, me just want, no, but Mary have 3 patties. No, Mary craving, man. Mary craving for true. 3 patties alone, Mary eat off and 2 drink. All right? Mary did not buy any cheese. John bought 1 patty, a slice of cheese, and a drink for $18. So we need to determine what is happening. So I'm writing my equations. Jane, 2 patties, that's 2x. A slice of cheese, that's y. And a drink, that's y, that's z, equals 28. Mary now, 3 patties is going to be 3x. And 2 drink, there is no cheese. So I have to put 0 as my placeholder. If you don't put a placeholder there, you're going to end up with different overall determinant. You're going to end up with different overall. You have to remember, remember each element in the ith row and the jth column has a specific location. It cannot exist anywhere else. So let me see how many of you, well, let me not ask the question yet. And then now, when I have my matrix, when I have my matrix, I'm going to have 2, 1, 1. Who had threes? Who are the 302 versus who had 320?
Sir, I had 312.
Oh, so you can.
Sir, I put -1. Sir, I'm going to fix it now.
Okay, so you see the problem. All right. Okay.
Sir,
All right.
I have every single thing we have on the board and it's still wrong.
All right, great. I mean, not great that it's wrong, but great that you have everything. You know, so you can't multiply. You know that? And from Thursday, Friday, you make them careless mistake. They miss Nikki.
Sir.
Yes, honey.
Sir, I saw my mistake.
Great.
Sir, me write it wrong, but still calculate it right.
Okay. Nikki, you see yours yet? Oh, maybe. Oh, you know, you see I have everything I have so far. Okay, Nikki. We soon get there. So remember. Yeah?
I think it was not me saying it wasn't me.
Sir, it's me. Sir, I have every single thing we have on the board.
Oh, sorry, Nikki. Jesus.
Sir, me get it correct.
And look how my plan to beat it, Nikki. Oh, jeez. I apologize, honey bunches. Jeez, again by a buster here.
All right, sir.
I mean, no, you don't know what buster is. All right, Natty. So this is my matrix equals to 36, 28. All right. So I'm calculating the overall determinant. So what I did, that's all I do here, guys. Come Natty B. So this is a matrix, and I'm going across the first row. So it's this 2. Then I take everything from here and everything from here. So I'm going to be left 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1. Then I'm using -1, which is right here. Then I'm taking everything from here and everything from here. So I'm going to have 3, 2, 1, 1. See here? 3, 2, 1, 1. Then I'm going to have my +1. That means I'm taking everything from this column and everything from that row. So I'm going to have 3, 0, 1, 1. See here? 3, 0, 1, 1.
I have everything there, so except for where you have the triangle. I have every single thing go down except for the triangle. Yes, sir. I just don't have the answer. The last line I have that you have is 4 - 1 + 3.
Natty B, in Jesus' name, what is 4 - 1 + 3, Natty B? No,
I mean, I have negative, 4, not -4.
All right, come, let us check it, Natty B. Look. 0 times, remember, there is a leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. Say 0 times 1, see here, so, minus 2 times 1. Minus 2 times 1 is a leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. See here, -1, which is this. 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. So if you get this one right, that means you should get that one right. And then be 3 times 1 minus 0 times 1. See here? 3 times 1 minus 0 times 1. Remember, it's the leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. The leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. Always, every single time. The leading diagonal minus the other diagonal.
Sir, whenever you like which way you have 2 open brackets 0. The part there, so the one, the first one, sir. So I
The one
never
here?
brought the negative sign. Yes.
Yeah. Now you see
Because
it,
for
right?
a second we have 0 minus 2, and I never brought the negative sign. I just brought the 2.
No, man, it always is a negative sign. Always is a negative sign. Remember, it is a leading diagonal, the 1 here, minus the other diagonal, the 1 here times the 1 here. It's a leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. The leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. So there are two diagonals. What is the leading diagonal, sir? The A11, the A22. The twin, A11, A22. What's the other diagonal, sir? The one that is not the twin, the A12 and the A21. All right? And then that's how we're going to end up with the negative 4. So Natalie, I see you see that now. Matthew, you see the negative 2 now, Papa?
Yes, sir. A wrong number, me right off, so I'm getting it.
All right. I'm happy you said that, because it's one of the things that I'm going to say to you again. I said it before, and I'm going to say it to you one more time. You see, when you transcribe, I have not done the rest of the question because I was trying to get some other questions for you, and I'm not going to finish. I need to write another worded one for you right now while some of you check this one. Well, what I'm going to do, I don't want to kill time. Yes, Matthew. I don't want to kill time, so I'm going to project another question for you to do for me, and then I'm going to write a worded one, so at least you get it done up. Look what I want you to do. Remember, you have to define your variables here, but it's when you transcribe the information from the question to your matrix, to your equations rather. Just go back and just make sure, say you have everything, every bit of information from the question, you have transcribed correctly. If you mistranscribe something from up here, so to right here, so dog yam your supper, then your dinner, no, supper, then breakfast, and then lunch the following day. Please. All right. So yes, the answer is $10 for the patty. I just have the answers. I need to finish off the working now. $10 for the patty, $5 for the cheese, and $3 for the drink. All right. And then of course you can double check your answer. All right. Do me a favor.
I can roll back up.
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir.
I'm hearing you. Go ahead. Any questions? Any other questions? All right. So I'm gonna. Am I able to move? I'm gonna quickly do the other question, but I want to project another question for you. We're gonna just work these questions. You have to work the questions in order for you to concretize the concept. I mean, you can understand it, but if you don't practice it, you can miss it. You can miss it if you don't practice it. Let's go. Let me just send this invitation, in case anybody wants. I can move now from here, please. Somebody answer.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. I'm gonna give you one more to do, but this is not the worded one. I'm gonna see if I can write a worded one in the meantime. Let me give you this one to do for me. All right, there you go with number 2. Start working for me, please. Cramers. Remember, not to be, look at the variables. We're not seeing one of the stuff. Put your placeholders there. And once you have your placeholders, you are good to go. Look carefully when you would have written your augmented matrix. Make sure, say you look back at the original question and you have the things in the correct place.
Sir.
Yes, thanks. Yeah.
Sir, you hear me now?
Yes, Manisha.
Oh, sir, did I like it? Did I the Wi-Fi never did work good, so you never hear me. But me did also do which question?
See it on the screen, dear. Money if I see it? Manisha, sorry.
Oh, okay, sir. The one down here about 2x plus 3z. Call that right?
Yeah, man, the one there. Remember,
Alright.
look for your placeholders. Look for your placeholders. The elements have their specific places in the matrix. That's all I'm going to say to you. All right, go on work. Maybe we finish off the first question. Want to see and finish?
I didn't laugh.
Huh?
Start working out the last one then.
All right, then cool. All right, give me a minute, DD. Anybody finish?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
It's when I finish the question, you must tell me so I finish the question, you know. I'm seated right here.
Sir, we finished the question.
All right, cute. Cute. All right. What's the value of what's the overall determinant?
45, sir.
Sir, negative 15.
Negative 15.
Negative 15 is what I get. Done, very good. Negative 15 is what I get. Let me share what I have. So what I did from the question, I put in my placeholders. I have my X. I don't have any Y, 0 Y. I have my Z, Z equals 8. I don't have no X here, so 0X. 3 for Y minus 5 for Z, right there, so equals negative 10. I have all of them here for this one, so this is what I rearranged to give. Please do not do the question mentally. Write the extra line and put in your placeholders.
So that's what I did.
Great. And then I write it in a matrix form. This is what I get. Then I put my array of signs. This is what I have. Then hint, look out for the 0 rows and columns. And then when I solve, I'm getting negative 15. Look at it, negative 15.
Oh, sir, I never included a 0 in the equation.
You don't have to because 0 times anything is 0. That's fine. I want to put that there because I want you to see that it's a 0 row. Don't worry about it. It's 0. 0 times anything is 0.
Sir, can you hear me?
Wrong sign. Check it wrong. So it changed now.
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you can hear me?
I can't hear you. No.
Sir, I got negative 15, but my sign for the 0 is a plus, not a negative.
It's supposed to be a negative. See it up here, so. I did say congratulations, Dan, and I don't know if you heard me. But see it here is supposed to be it doesn't really matter if it is a 0 because I mean plus 0 minus 0 are still 0. But if you're following the sequence, I am going across this row. So it's supposed to be positive 2, then negative 0. So it's really supposed to be negative and then a positive 3.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. Very good, though. Continue, please. Very nice. All right. Now, and then.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir. Sir.
Good.
3 times 4 minus 5. So I would put plus to this now.
A 3 negative sign you have. 1, yes, so. 1
3?
more, yes, so. Oh, count. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Yes, that's why I get the 45. I got 45 first, and then I look over and see
Oh.
that it would be
Then
still negative.
But I'm not sir.
Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. And positive 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So talk to me now. You don't agree?
Sir, where is you get the 3 negative signs from?
When you're calculating the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, the sign separating both terms is always negative. It's the leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. 3 times 4, the leading diagonal, minus, see it right here, so, The other diagonal, -5 times -3, -5 times -3. -5 times -3 is positive 15. So positive 15 times a -15 is -15.
Sir, I see it because I never have no -3. I never see the negative sign.
Yeah, fair enough. We still need some more practice on this. We're getting there, you know. We're getting there, but we still need some more practice on it. Very good, Danique. I'm proud of you. No. Katrina kind of silent tonight. Shania, Foxy kind of silent tonight. Terry, I mean, what is wrong with you guys? You're not silent tonight. Terry, talk.
Sir, may I look up on my own? May I get positive 50 instead of negative?
So I'm here. I got the answer.
You got the answer?
Sir, see my mistake.
Very, very good, Patrine. Terry, talk to teacher.
I got -15, sir.
Yeah, man, but you know, you must tell teacher, no, teacher got it. Teacher want to hear from you, you know. Teacher get enough energy when students talk to teacher. Enough energy. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we got that. And then the determinant of x now I got to be -15 again. Anybody, somebody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
nice.
Sir.
Very nice. Very nice.
Sir. I made a mistake, but the X may still get the same thing. The same answer as before with the mistake.
Okay. You see, if I had money, and that's maybe, I don't know, why me never born rich? No, maybe me born rich, would have gone like me no want to know Jesus. All right, Lord, I thank you. But you see, if they have money, me just still hold on and say the plan. Meet me at Exit. I'm gonna just put the whole on my private jet. I'm gonna just go to Florida, go eat like a food, and come back. We got early morning. I would just fly out. I would just go to Hard Rock Cafe and eat some food, burp 2 times, and they would just fly back in and just call it a day. Real talk, you know. Real talk. I think teachers should be very rich people in this world so that we can take out our students and treat them well. Very nice, guys. I'm really very proud of you. Now, you know what this has been doing? Natty B, unmute.
Sir?
Oh, you stay.
Sir, madam, get it.
Touch blow. I so come in, see if I go buy my jet, you know. No, man, I so come and go buy my jet. No, but you know, let me tell you what this has done, students. The ones who fully understand the topic, believe it or not, even though we are online, you're pulling the other students with you. Because I will tell you, Mr. Shan can't get the answer. Well, me can't get the something and everybody else I get it. So you put in more energy in it and more effort in it. And in your headspace, sir, give me next one here, man. Come on, we want to get this. And it is very encouraging. Very encouraging. And I'm so proud of you all. The ones who are struggling, never give up. Remember, you will have to work 3, 4, 5 times as hard as those who get it first shot in class. So you know you have to put in a little bit more work and have to sit up a little bit more. When the others are sleeping, you are burning the lamp. So very good. I'm very encouraged. I'm very encouraged. All right. The determinant of y, I got 0.
Yup.
Yes, sir.
Me never know could I get 0 for the determinant too.
Sir, anything possible with this subject?
Chanil, you are not allowed to say anything else to the rest of the class. You're mean. You know, I bet I never said that about chemistry, bio, physics, environment, science, G and them subject.
Please.
Yeah, okay,
Sir.
okay, Dan. Yeah, I barely heard you. Tan, you are mean. Jesus. But anyhow, Kimoli, don't follow Tantan, please. Tantan is in a mood tonight, but a very good mood because she's getting the answer. Very nice, all of you. All right, come down. Look at that quick time. Okay, tell me what you got for the determinant of Z in the meantime.
-30.
-30. All right, let me check to see if negative. Terry, can you agree with them? -30, Terry?
Yes, sir.
All right. 1 minute done. 1 minute done. Yeah, man, them right. So x can be equals to 1, y equals 0, z equals 2, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. On the thing so they can outsmart me. All right, watch me. Write off number 9 for me, please. None of you can get this one right. This one is hard. None of you can get this one right. And guess what? You can't get this one right in anybody who finishes in 5 minutes, get to leave 1 minute earlier. I soon come to you, Dan. Just having the others write this question off for me, please. Let me know when you finish writing it off.
Okay, sir.
Oh. Finish write it off? You write it off, Tina, Dan. So when I finish it, I want to start this one. Finish write it off? All right, I'm moving.
Yes, sir.
All right, Dan, you wanted the -15. All right, this is where you wanted, Dan. So that's where you are now. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Anybody finish at 7:13, get to leave 1 minute early.
Sir, can go more. Sir.
You said go up more and I went up more.
Sir, you know.
Can you type in the chat for me, please, Dan?
No, today. I got the -15 and I got another -15 for the second one.
Right.
So
this is where you are now. You're at the determinant of y now then.
Must be so, sir.
Yes, that's what it is. The overall determinant is -15. The determinant of x is also -15. That you're at the determinant of y now. That we got 0 for.
Okay. Can see that one then.
I can move no Dan.
No, sir. Sir, my internet moving slower than what you're doing. That's why. So it just go on what I wanted. So that's why.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, what on?
if the
Sir,
positive,
you can
sir,
Go ahead, go ahead. Why
or
you
if the positive,
when you doing to the dog?
sir, wanna get let go.
Yeah. That's you, Dan Dan. Go ahead now.
When the positive the over the negative is about change.
When the positive over the negative,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, it's gonna be negative. Yeah, you get for the cofactors, you'll multiply the signs. The sign in front of the element and the array of signs. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I go back down to the question, please?
Are coming. Dum. If I can find the question, I think that was it. That's it, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir, can go back up.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you can continue.
Anybody finish? No, I guess not. You want me to scroll down on that page? No, that was the last thing, That was a lot. That was a determinant of Z.
Oh, so that is it.
Yeah. That is it.
Sir,
I'm hearing you. Go ahead. How is the?
At Z.
Okay, cool. How we stay?
Finish, sir.
What is off the overall determinant?
For 8.
For
Good
8.
job. Everybody agrees with the 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody in the class that didn't get
Yes,
8?
sir.
What you got?
No, I agree with the 8.
Okay, good job. What is the determinant of x?
1.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
Oh, yes, sir. 8, sir.
Okay. Very good. Determinant of x is also 8. Is there nobody in the class that didn't get 8 for the determinant of x? Very good.
Yeah, no, that I'm getting it.
That's what you got?
No,
What you got?
568.
568. All right, let's go. Look up what row you in. What row you use, Matthew?
First row.
All right, I did the same thing too. Look to see if you got the same.
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I have
a
minus 3. It's
question.
plus 3.
For the
Mm-hmm.
first. Sir,
Sir,
yeah.
it wouldn't be plus 3.
No, it's -3.
Sir,
Sir,
the first row is not minus, plus, minus, plus.
Yeah, plus minus. So that's why I have a -3
Oh,
right
I have
here.
negative 3. Never mind.
sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir, how you have -5 for the first one? If the sign is a plus, it wouldn't be a +5.
No, the two signs multiply together to give me a negative
Minus.
sign. Yes, call on his name, Jesus. You have to remember that. You have to remember that. And if the element is negative and the cofactor and this an array of sign is negative, then we have a positive number. But somebody just asked me that question a while ago and I answered them. Was it money show? I don't know if it was you who asked question.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. These things are so hard to type. Oh my gosh. So what I'm saying to you is, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Because the element here is -5, the sign, the array of sign up here is positive. So this positive times this negative gives me a negative number. If I were going down this row, I'll have this as negative and this as positive. Why, sir? And it says negative because the negative sign up here times this negative sign here will give me a positive sign. Remember, the array of signs only affect the cofactor. 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 So you have to be careful with that. Okay, what's the determinant of y?
16.
2.
What? 2? I get 16.
I got 16, sir.
Oh, I know why. I know why I said 2. You give me the value of y to be equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you got 16. Very good. And the determinant of z equals 24.
Yes,
There's
sir.
24.
524.
24.
Okay, cool. I just remember. Matthew, you see the error yet, Papa?
Yes, sir. Enough of
Nice.
enough error up.
Huh?
Enough error up tonight.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. You're gonna get better at it. You just have to practice and practice and more practice. You just have to practice. And not because you do the question already mean that you can't do the question another time. Just to ensure that you understand what is happening. It took me a while to practice to master this stuff. All right. All right.
Yeah, I can back Y, please.
Go back up to Y. Here you go.
Here you go.
How are we feeling? How are we feeling with the topic generally?
Okay, sir.
No problem. How are you feeling with the topic generally? And I want your honest response. Honest
Few
response.
more questions and me I go alright.
A few more questions. And I love that. Who was
Sir,
that?
can I see
Nasty
the determinant, please?
Yes, sir.
Determinant of what, honey? Overall determinant?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. All right. So let us agree. Can we do 2 more questions and then we'll call it a night? Or 3 more questions? Which one? Or 4?
Say one more question.
2.
No, Matthew, we can't give 1 more question, man. 2 more questions.
Say we got 8 o'clock, you know.
Yeah, I know. So that means you have to go write the 2 questions and fast. Quick and fast. Double up. All right, very nice. Again, when I vex to the activities, I vex to the, but it's when I know do well, I'm proud on. I gave you that question before?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so you can go to Z because I didn't get that.
There you go.
Okay, sir.
No problem. 2 more questions and we'll call it a day. All right, so we did that question. I concede. Yes, we did. All right. Did we do this one? This is what we just did?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Wait, I want to question now. Very nice. All right. All right, number 12. See number 12 there? So work quick and fast. This one, and then we'll have 1 more, we'll call it an evening. You know, I don't give a break, because I'm going to incorporate my break in letting you know about early tonight. Very nice, so guys. You're doing very well. Congrats. This is all of the class.
Sir,
Yes, Matthew.
I don't know, I can go back to Z. Then don't
Okay. Can I move on, guys? You'd have written up the question already, right?
Yes, sir.
See there, Matthew.
What's the middle? Cancel.
He's a pop-up.
They're finished.
What do you got for your answer? Overall determinant equals?
I got 28.
28.
Woohoo!
It,
And what's the determinant of
sorry.
28.
Good job. What's the determinant of y?
56.
56.
Very nice. What's the determinant of z?
84.
84.
34. Oh, 84. Very nice. All right. One of the things that I want you to learn about me is that I'm a man of my words, and I did say that I was going to let out at 8 o'clock. It's now 8. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be combining the notes and send off. I'm going to combine the notes and send off. But it's not really notes, really, it's just questions and the solutions. Yeah? But I'm going to send them off. But I'm going to beg if you have a few before I do that. And then I'm going to end it here, give you some time to go on and reflect on what it is that we have done. And very good. You have done very, very, very well tonight. I'm finished with Cramers. Cramers is finished. We are now finished with 4 out of the 8 units in module 1. And we'll see what can happen for next class. Have a good rest of the evening, guys.
Same
You
to
too.
you,
You
sir.
too,
Bye.
sir.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Sir, you didn't post the last week
Hi,
recording.
sir.
No, that's what I did. I didn't. No, I'll send it off. I'll send it off. There was a delay in getting those. I only saw it
Okay.
today. Yeah, man. I'll do that for you. No problem. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.